Welcome back. Madgaon Shigmotsav Samiti respects the tradition and doesn't mix politics with Shigmotsav. This was a clear hint by one group to another. Two separate groups in Madgaon will be organizing the traditional Shigmotsav. The Samiti paid respect to Lord Dambab and sought blessings to commence Shigmo festival. One faction of Madgaon Shigmotsav Samiti will organize Shigmo on 17th and another on 29th March from Pimpalkata.
Madgaon Shigmotsav Samiti म्हणटाती legally held to be the two representative of Shigmo जो करता तो ताणी करचो म्हणून कोर्टान बसून म्हणिल्लें आहा. We are only saying what the court is saying and we are paying obeisance to it. जे recognition तांकां legal recognition आहा तांचे बरोबर इलेक्टेड प्रतिनिधी जे निवडून येता तांणी बरोबर रावचेच पडटा. आमी लिडर म्हणून सांगूंक सोदना न्ही. सरकार जें कितें आतां मेरेन करता तें सरकारान शिगम्यान बसून पॉलिटिक्स हाडिल्लें आहा. आमी पॉलिटिक्स हाडना. वी आर रिस्पेक्टिंग ट्रेडिशन.
आज हो प्रोग्राम जाले कारण 22 तारखेच्यान आमचो 2 दिसांचो प्रोग्राम आशिल्लो पूण वातावरण पळोवन आमी 23 तारखेक करतले जाल्यार 22 तारखेक एकूच दिसाचो आमचो प्रोग्राम आसतलो. त्या दिसा चौबडी सुपारी वादन आसतलें हांगा आनी एक आमची मडगांव नगरीक एक फेरी आसतली फ्रंटा मेळ घेवन आनी ताजे नंतर आमी लोहया मैदानाचेर वचून आमच्या शिगम्याचे दीस परत उद्घाटन करतले.
Tarun Tejpal visited his ill mother at a city hospital on Saturday. Tejpal's bail plea was rejected by the High Court on Friday. Tejpal had filed a petition before the court to meet his ailing mother in the hospital. Tejpal is likely to file a fresh petition in the court.
Tarun Tejpal was spotted at a city hospital on Saturday when he had gone to meet his ailing mother. Tejpal spent almost 2 hours with his mother in the hospital. Tejpal's family members accompanied him to the hospital. Tejpal was brought in a police van with tight security. Earlier, High Court had rejected his bail plea. Tejpal has filed a petition before the court seeking permission to meet his ailing mother. Currently, Tejpal is in Sada jail at Vasco. Our reporter Sham Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Dempo Cricket Club defeated Cricket Russia 11 by 10 wickets. Russia placed a target of 110 runs, which Dempo achieved within 10.1 overs. Ravi Teja of Dempo smashed 50 runs. Ravi Teja was man of the match. This is Dempo's second consecutive win. Sargonga Sports Club will clash with GCA and Gino will face ICMC USA in the Sunday fixtures. GPL is live on Prudent.
Well, there was a considerable bounce there, did it? So the new batsman Aditya Angle, good looking shot there, that ball is racing to the fence. And this time a lovely shot there, straight down the ground, absolute copybook. A lovely shot there this time from Aditya Angle. The two fielders outside the 30-yard circle. This time, that one took the out. That ball has gone up in the air. Saurav Dubey coming underneath it. That is a dot. Well, they can watch. This one has been hit up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it. And a good catch there is Paila, who's not on strike. There seems to be some confusion there between the two batsmen. A direct hit there. And this one, a good looking shot there. There is no fielder. And this one has been hit up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it. And that was a slightly over-pitch delivery there. And a good shot. Ball there. There is no fielder in the deep. So the first 4. Ooh, that one kept a little bit low. A lucky streak there for Ravi Teja. That took. And this time he's played that ball up in the air. Will it go for a 6? Yes, it does. It is. And this time he's just flicked it off his pads. The ball is racing to the fence. The fielder is chasing it. And this time Swapnil Asnodkar playing it in the gap. There is a fielder there at point. And there is a fielder at this time just outside the off stump, piercing the gap there. There is a fielder at gully and point, as we just mentioned. And once again, that ball is up in the air. I'm sure this one will go over the ropes. No, in fact, this time the fielder comes. And this time he hits it in the gap. And no chance for any of the two fielders there. There is a sweep. So 50 for Ravi Teja of just 30 balls. And that's it. An easy single for the batsman. And what a victory for Dempos here. A comprehensive victory with all their 10 wickets intact. They have
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.